Hello, Mr. Sunil Ramachandran. This is Business Next Level part of language. So here one person told that यार गवर्नमेंट का बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल example is like this. One person basically was doing job in Mumbai basically. He was doing well basically. He was going to purchase house, this, that. Basically, he was going to get some good girl as a marriage. Everything basically was going fine basically. But that is government basically. Somebody told that basically, यार ये जो लड़का है ना basically. But that was basically after the government basically got the real information basically. They told that we have done the mistake basically. They told that ये जो लड़का है ना basically. Due to that person basically India is not winning the World Cup basically. Just taking rough example. What is government of that basically I am explaining. So government told that yaar basically, are you sure basically? So government say that basically do the opinion poll basically. So they, just example, but what is government basically? That is reality basically. One person told that the person who basically won the World Cup basically, they told that basically yes, this person basically is responsible. Government basically blindly told that yes, basically he is responsible. They basically killed him basically, but they directly basically because he was connected with many satellites basically. That time basically when they planned this na basically, that satellite group basically tracked everything basically, but they can't come it down and basically they said, "Bhai, government basically here they are basically killing that boy basically. They can't basically directly come and down basically and say that we basically can't allow him to kill basically." Government told that basically, let's plan basically one marriage basically of this boy because they tracked it basically. That basically he is connected with some satellite group basically because that is government basically. So they planned one marriage basically with some HIV/AIDS girl. This is the real story basically in Mumbai. So next video in front of Marathi group basically.